2, 1. Do a little twirl for him from the dress.
I knew Steven was the one when he started our conversations with do you like cows? And then his just genuine kindness and loving compassion and enthusiasm about all things that I love was sealed the deal.
I now invite the bride and groom, husband and wife, to the center. I now introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Stephen and Emily Hauck.
Is always so level-headed and positive, and of course is always willing to share a beer with anybody. And I couldn't be happier to gain Steven as a brother. I am so happy that Emily finally found her Carhartt cowboy, even though they were only 15 miles apart for most of their lives. These are two of the hardest working people I know. They work great together, and I can't wait to see where this next chapter of their lives takes them. The sky is truly the limit for these two. So if everyone would raise their glass in celebration. Emily and Steven, here's to the past for all that you've learned, to the present for all that you share, and here's to the future for all that you've got to look forward to. Congrats to the newlyweds.